Well, let's go on down to the deer blind. I've got everything, my office chair ratchet strapped to the front of the four-wheeler, the buddy heater, and a new propane tank. We're going to take this out to the blind and then I'll give you guys a little tour. Hey guys, so you're in the woods that I hunt in right now. Super cool back here. I absolutely love this chunk. It's surrounded by, this year is corn, last year was soybeans. So this year I put this blind in, which I'll add some information about this blind here in the description down below. Field & Stream, this is the 5-sided. I believe it's meant for 2 to 3 people. They're very, very cool. I haven't been back here since I came back and staked it down. So I brought some little stakes that you run in with a impact or drill. The outside of these little windows are tinted, so the deer can't see you moving around inside. They flip down really nicely. I'll be able to hunt the field, which is this direction is where my deer came in last year. And it would have been a direct shot like this, straight across. So this year I bought this blind because I like to hunt through the end of gun season. Which gets into some pretty cold temperatures. So this year, I'm gonna be smart and have everything set up beforehand. That way, I don't need to screw around in the middle of the season when I should be hunting. So I'm gonna probably put this outside and then run the hose up underneath. Alright, let's give it a test. Make sure it works so we're not messing around with it on opening morning. Well, there you have it, guys. This is my Field & Stream 5-sided hunting blind, and I'm super excited to get to use it and have some all-day sits, or find a bag of buck right around it. just looking forward to being out here and in the quiet. It's gonna be so nice. It's been a crazy year, but listen guys, I'm gonna get out of here because I don't want to get busted by, you know, the old doe that I know is in this area. So I'm gonna get out of here. Again, my name is Justin with JB Outdoors. Remember to spend more time outdoors. I'll see y'all in the next video. Pretty sweet blind. Super excited to have that. Can't wait to use it. But for now, let's get out of here before this doe shows up that I know is gonna smoke me back here.